If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Hello, everyone. This is Digital Dreamer, and today I wanted to show you how to split a string in half and see if there's the same amount of vowels on each side. I know that might not make sense to some of you, which is why I am going to read this question. You are given a string of even length. Split the string into two halves of equal lengths. Let A be the first half and B be the second half. Two strings are alike if they have the same number of vowels. A, E, I, O, U, capital A, capital E, capital I, capital O, capital U. We'll create a list of that later. Notice that S can contain uppercase and lowercase letters. Return true if A and B are alike. Otherwise, return false. Example 1. Input is S, which is equal to book. The output is true. The explanation is that A is BO and B is equal to OK. A has one vowel and B has one vowel. Therefore, they're alike. So we are going to be checking if these two numbers are the same. Example 2. Input is S equals textbook. The output equals false because the explanation is that A is equal to text and B is equal to book. A has one vowel whereas B has two. Therefore, they are not alike. Notice that the vowel O is counted twice. So we're going to get right in. So first one I'm going to do is I am going to create a function called split string. One parameter is S. First, what am I going to do is I'm going to create a length variable and set it equal to len of S. And I want to set middle index. And we are going to need this length variable later. So this will be int. This will be equal to int of the length divided by 2. So let me explain why we need this. We want to go from the first index to middle index to get the first half, and from middle index to length to get the second half. And the reason we're doing int is because we need an integer for indexes. However, this will return a float. So we're converting it to an integer. Now what we are going to do is create a list called vowels. Set it equal to A, E, I, O, U, capital A, capital E. Sorry about that, guys. My phone just fell. Let's get back. Capital E, capital I, capital O and capital U. And then what we're going to do is we are going to create a left variable, set that equal to 0, and a right variable, which is also equal to 0. We want to create a for loop with a range from 0 to middle index. If s of I is in the vowels, then left plus equals 1. Now I'm going to copy this, then paste it right there. Now it's from middle index to length. And now, what we are going to do is change left to right. And now we are going to return left equals right. If you prefer to do this in a more sense way, here's what you can do. We can do if left equal to right, then return true, else return false. You might also do it like this, but if you prefer to do it in a shorter way, you can do this. And now we are going to try this out. I am going to print split string, and now I'm going to do pencil, which is correct. This will also work with uppercase. And now I know this is not good grammar, but I just want to show you how that it will work also uppercase. See? Anyway, now I'm going to do something that is even, but doesn't have the same amount of vowels. Word. Let's run. False. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next one. Bye!